When the summer temperatures are sweltering, gardeners still have the option for bright landscape color. Today, Southern Gardening is at Barrett's Garden Center looking at some of their beautiful SunPatiens. SunPatiens are an improvement of the new Guinea-type impatiens and can be grown in full sun. They bloom from the time they are planted in the spring through the fall. There are 29 selections of SunPatiens. Of those, 4 have variegated foliage. The variegated foliage is a beautiful creamy yellow with bright green edges, which is ideal for shadier areas, as their leaf variegation shows off nicely. They have outstanding tight branching characteristics that guarantee a lot of color. The plants seem to flaunt their brilliant flower colors. The wide variety of colors are eye-catching against the backdrop of dark green and variegated leaves. The huge, brightly colored flowers almost completely cover the leaves. These plants will fill in quickly, even in larger landscape beds. It is important to remember, SunPatiens will require consistent watering during the hottest temperatures. SunPatiens flourish in the high heat and humidity, making them an ideal choice for Mississippi landscapes and gardens. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.